Hi everyone. This week on Friction Friday, we have the 2025 through 2026 Infiniti QX80. With its commanding size, premium interior, and refined road presence, the QX80 is built to move passengers and cargo with confidence. In a full-size luxury SUV like this, braking has to feel controlled, composed, and dependable in every driving situation. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, delivering stable pedal feel, quiet operation, and reliable stopping performance. Whether the QX80 is handling daily traffic, longer highway travel, or a fully loaded cabin, these components are designed to maintain consistency behind the wheel. GeoSpec coated rotors help protect against corrosion from moisture, road salt, and changing weather conditions, supporting long-term durability and appearance. OE-specific fitment also helps technicians complete installation accurately and efficiently. That means braking performance stays smooth and predictable, helping preserve the refined driving experience Infiniti owners expect. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, giving distributors added flexibility while helping service bays complete brake jobs more efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2025 to 2026 Infiniti QX80 with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for OE-level fit, performance, and reliability. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.